Alright, so today we learned about finding the perimeter of an object using equations. So I wanted to do a quick video to review what we practiced. This was the problem we started with today. It says write a formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. You're given the total perimeter, here P is 19 inches, and we're looking to solve for W. We are also given length is 5.5 inches. So we need to write an equation or a formula to find the perimeter. We know on the other side of our equal sign we're going to have 19. That's no problem. But let's take a look at the rectangle. We have 5.5 on this side. So we know that this side is also 5.5. Same goes for our W. We know that this side is W, so this side is also going to be W. I can even label it. So now, looking at this, how many W's do I have? Well, I have 2 W's, plus I have 5.5 on this side and 5.5 on this side, and that makes 11. So now I have a nice, easy formula to use. I also could have created a formula using the distributive property. Because I said I have 2 sets of W plus 5.5 that equal 19. And we would have gotten the same thing, because using the distributive property we would have gotten 2W plus 11. And from here you would just go on to solve like we would in any other two-step equation. So you guys said, oh, Miss Lemon, rectangles are too easy. So we moved on to the harder stuff. Here we have a star, and it's got 10 lengths that are all a value of 2x minus 7. So setting up an equation for that, we said we have 10 of them. 10 sets of 2x minus 7, and the entire perimeter is equal to 70. So to start, those parentheses tell us we're going to use the distributive property. 10 times 2x is going to give us 20x. 10 times negative 7 is going to give us negative 70 is equal to 70. Our next step is to either add or subtract. So I see a subtraction symbol here. I'm going to use the inverse operation to get rid of it. If I do it to one side, I do it to the other. So I'm going to end up with 20x is equal to 140. My last step is to multiply or divide. I see this as multiplication, so I'll use the inverse operation. Divide by 20, and I'm going to end with x is equal to 7. But these continue to get harder. So we have a little more with this triangle. We have 2 lengths that are the same right here and right here. And then we have an extra length that is different. So again, we can use the distributive property to represent those 2 lengths that are the same. So we have 2 sets of 3x plus 2, plus we have a 5x minus 4, and that is all equal to the perimeter of 44. So now we get into the solving again, and those parentheses are going to take care of them first. 2 times 3x is going to give us 6x, and 2 times a positive 2 is going to give us a positive 4. And now I'm going to bring everything else down. I still have a plus 5x and a minus 4x is equal to 44. Now I've got a lot of numbers here, but I also see I have some like terms, okay? So I have a plus 6x and a plus 5x, and when I combine them, that's going to give me an 11x. And I also have more like terms. Like terms don't just have to be with variables. I have a plus 4 and a minus 4. And if I combine those, I get 0. So they completely cancel each other out. So I'm left with 11x is equal to 44. So there's nothing to add or subtract, so I move right to multiply or divide. I'm going to use the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. Cancel each other out. Oh, I knew that didn't look right. Sorry, 44. So 44 divided by 11 leaves us with x is equal to 4. If that's still too easy for you, let's try to complicate things a little more. We've got a bit of a longer problem now. As always, we know we have the perimeter is equal to 49. Now we have one side equal to x and another side equal to x. So let's just call that 2x to make it easier on ourselves. But we've got two more sides that are different. So we're going to do plus 2x minus 5, taking care of that orange side. And on the red side, we have plus 3x minus 16. Now you may say to yourself, oh my god, that looks like so many numbers, I don't think I can do that. But again, let's follow the steps. We need to combine our like terms first. So I have a plus 2x, plus 2x, plus 3x. 2x plus 2x is 4x, plus 3x is going to leave us with 7x. Now again, we are not done yet. There are more like terms. We have a negative 5 and a negative 16. Those are same signs, so we're going to add them together. So 5 and 16 is 21, and they're going to keep the sign of the larger number. So bring everything else down. And here we are, back where what we know and love, our two-step. We're going to get rid of 21 first. It's going to leave us with 7x is equal to 70. Move on to division, divide by 7, divide by 7, x is equal to 10. I hope all this information helps you out. If you have any questions, please come see me. You may see one or two of these problems on the Common Assessment, which we will be taking on Tuesday, January 28th. Have a good day.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.